So we just heard it's reported to a bigger event than we first heard. It's like three events colliding over Big Island, but it's a statewide event, is what we've just learned. So we're putting it out. Aram is just putting it on social media for people to be preparing here. Yeah, we don't know what to expect. We know we get storms and events like this in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. They're all over the ocean, but they don't always come this close. And three things: a blizzard and two storms. All right, we've gotten some cars moved. We moved the trailer. Right here, there's two ice chests right here. And we're just looking to see what else to actually let's make sure that it stays safe. This car is going to move. We have no more berm, no retaining wall, no bridge, nothing to really hold back the water. So these two cars at risk. We've got Carl and Aram has come here. This is one of my other Hanai sons. Sweet family, and he just broke off of whatever he was doing to come and help us do storm prep. I am going to move the Angels. Okay, they just pushed the truck. We're pushing it up into this. It's a good thing we didn't completely get rid of that trunk there, huh? It's a good curb stop. Yeah, there's always good. Okay, we're done in the parking lot. Well, actually, they're moving some things out of the cottage shed in the parking lot, just in case water comes in again. I sent Ryan off to harvest eggs from our chickens. I already had a pot of spaghetti made, pot of rice. I'm just gonna get some food going now for these guys.